Peace and light, y'all. This is Choice. Wherever you are right now, just know this message found you for a reason. I don't sugarcoat. I translate spiritual messages that hit home. So let's open the cards and see what Spirit wants you to receive today. This message is a general energy for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And we just want to tap into the energy and see what Libra is currently standing in. What energy Libra is currently standing in. Before we get started, most high ancestors and divine guides, I ask that you cover me and my collective in light and strength. Let every word and message come from love, wisdom, and truth. No weapon formed of spirit or flesh shall prosper here. Only messages meant for our highest good will reach our ears and our hearts. So it is, and so it shall be. Ashe. Okay. So I'm saying inner turmoil, deep-seated fears, releasing. So Nine of Swords, maybe somebody's having some mental anguish right now. Let's just check it out for Libra. What's shifting around Libra at this time? Something is heavy and burdensome with this Nine of Swords energy, the Ten of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. Whatever you're trying to get off the ground right now, Gemini, it seems like it's heavy. It seems like it's so powerful and so strong that it's causing you to be a little you kind of like a little thrown off right now. What's shifting is things are getting heavier. You know what I'm saying? What's shifting is, you know, your energy to do what you need to do is not there. Your energy to create, your energy to do the things you want to do. It's like kind of fucking with your head right now. This is 10 and 1. You could be seeing 10-10 where things are ending and beginning for you. You could be seeing 1-1-1 where things that you're manifesting is trying to be recreated for you, or you know, just you could be seeing 9s. All right, but overall, you know, shit might be one-sided right now. You might be giving more to this project than you're supposed to be. Okay, but really, you got some good news coming in. Some shit is about to be uncovered for you. We got the 8 of Wands here to the 7 of Swords. So somebody's about to come in and tell you some shit that they've been holding back. That might clear up a little bit of this mental anguish. All right. That might be the balance that you looking for. Yeah, a new beginning, a new project, new energy that's coming to help you out. All right. So what truth is Spirit asking Libra to acknowledge? What's the truth that Libra needs to acknowledge right now? It's time to go into isolation for your mental stability. You need to retreat. Spirit is saying you need to retreat and stop giving so much of your time and energy to people that don't deserve it. Projects that's gonna burn you out, that feel heavy as shit. Okay. Transition, let things go. Move on to calmer waters. Put endings to these deadly ass cycles and focus on your own come up. Yeah, focus on your own come up. That's the cycles that's needing for you to be saw today. Somebody is in a 5 of Cups. They are regretting something majorly. Regretting some type of feeling and emotion that they've had recently. Something that made them feel super supported, super loved. Maybe you lost a loved one. Maybe you lost a family member. Maybe you lost a pet. Maybe something around you has been snatched away from you, and it's made you feel major regret and loss here. Why is the 5 of Cups to the Queen of Cups? Yeah, just distance. You've been fighting a never-ending battle, and you feel like you don't have no support, and you've been putting on this front when it comes to the shit that's stopping your growth, stopping you from growing. Okay, but you know what you're capable of. You beautiful, you strong, you powerful, you magnetic. 444 on the timer. Your stability is coming. So yeah, you you feel like you don't have no support. You feel like your back is against the wall, and you feel like people around you is just keep being fake. It's a lot of people around you that's being fake, and they just manipulating so they can take advantage of what you have to offer. But I'm continuing to see this trend with this Ace of Wands. So you do have a new beginning that's gonna strike you quickly. All right, you do have that. Yeah, Ace of Wands. You might be having a delay, but really, overall, something new is about to shake you up. Something new is about to shake and bake for you. That's what it is. Why is the Nine of Swords to the Five of Cups? Why is the Nine of Swords to the Five of Cups? What is that? Somebody you don't trust. This is a mistrust around a situation, a person, a woman, or a thing that you had. It's caused mistrust. It's caused delay. Okay, you haven't gotten to where you wanted to be completely because of the people that you are having to defend yourself from. That's put you in the Five of Pentacles. This lack, this poverty, you've had to walk away from these people and boss up. Okay, everybody can't go. Sorry. Yeah, everybody cannot go. So then we got the Knight of Wands to the Six of Pentacles. Why is the Knight of Wands to the Six of Pentacles here? Yeah. You got more support coming in. That's why you got more support coming in. Something more so geared around the things that, why we got the Queen of Cups to the damn Nine of Wands. I'm seeing some unrequited feelings. It's a lot of unrequited feelings. It's a lot of, I feel this way, but the other person doesn't. Okay. It could be somebody not being accountable for having a one-sided energy. Yeah. Taking advantage of your kindness with this Queen of Cups to this. And it's making you on defense. All right. Somebody got poor judgment. Somebody is feeling overwhelmed. It might be tension right now between what's real and what's not. Okay, somebody is not living up to their expectations, and it's making it difficult to be stable, be secure, be practical. Okay, isn't this overwhelming? Why is the Ace of Cups in reverse to the Hermit? Justice in reverse to the Ace of Cups. Okay, so if this person does come in, apologize to you, this person does want to come back and communicate something emotionally to you, just know that it may not be sincere. It may not be sincere. Okay, but just use your intuition. Yeah, when it comes to the world, use your intuition to guide you. Why is the Ten of Wands to the Chariot? Making a decision when it comes to, you don't know what to say, and neither does this person. Yeah, overall, Four Wands. This shit, leaving this situation alone, knowing that it's heavy as fuck. You gotta sit back and think about what you gonna say and how you gonna say it. Really, you know what I would say. But you got overall energy, Ace of Wands to the Four of Swords. Okay, you got a period right now. You're the beginning of a new relationship, beginning of a new adventure. You know, you getting ready to do some things differently. Okay, because there now it's balanced. You had a potential for a new passionate beginning. Okay, but you need to rest and avoid burnout. Loss of passion. Start your shit with a full battery. See what I'm saying? So that you could give it the amount of nutrition it's supposed to have. Because when I think of a Libra, I think about gardener. Okay, gardener, somebody who does eco. Look at 1010 on the timer. Environments. You know, Libras. Why you got this affirmation twice? No weapon formed against you will prosper. Okay, take a break. Okay, so you can reflect, especially if you feel overwhelmed. Having patience. Yeah, giving us power to witness. Look at this. You see this man right here, the 4 wands? Spirit say you isolated. So right now you need to seek wisdom. Self-control. I can't make it up. I cannot make this up. Discernment in a new identity. Transitioning. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Kingdom. Okay. Okay. God say ask for wisdom so he can tell you the truth. Greater is he that is. Libra, listen. This shit you having a pause from is for better understanding. Okay? It's for wisdom and truth. It's so that you can have discernment. But you are being patient. You are being asked to wait. You are being asked in the 4 swords to wait on God by yourself. Okay? Because he's revealing shit to you so that you can create something new. Okay? That's where your discernment is coming in. Your discernment, because you are becoming a new creature, you need to understand the transition phase into the kingdom of it. That shit, listen, Spirit not playing with you, Libra. No weapon. He keep telling you, yeah, separation. More like Christ. Self-care. What's this? You see it. You see it. You sure do. You see it. That's why you here. This wasn't an accident that you clicked on this video. Scorpio, Gemini, Virgo, Leo, Aries, Libra, 888. That's abundance. 222. That's a high level soulmate. 555. That's rapid fast change. 999. That's closed out cycles. 333. That is your spiritual awareness that's growing. Let's get some initials here. Okay. We got R, L, J, JT, G, J, L, M, V, M, F, R, H, P, L, N, V, C, T, R, G. Okay. And then I have some more zodiacs. Give me a second. So I want to be able to see this clearly. Have Capricorn, Leo, Aquarius, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Cancer, Sagittarius, Cancer, Virgo, Taurus, Libra, and Cancer again. All right, y'all, that's what I have for you today. If you need something more specific, you already know I do $45 private tarot readings, real messages, real guidance. Send $45 on Cash App, the $ Choise Willing. Put your name and questions in the link in my bio. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, I'm Choise. I'm always sending you light, love, and truth. Peace.